Assalamu alaikum students. We are living on a biosphere, and in our environment we observe the variety of organisms like plant, animals and the microorganisms and human beings. So in this video we will know the definition of biodiversity. Let's understand its term. Bio mean life, diversity mean variation, and biodiversity mean variation among the species on different region of the earth. So how we will define the term species? Species is a small unit of classification in which the organism can interbreed and produce the fertile offspring. So after knowing the meaning of this term, how we will define the biodiversity? Biodiversity is the biological variety and variability of life on Earth. Biodiversity is a measure of variation at the genetic, species, and ecosystem level. Terrestrial. Terrestrial means organism living on the Earth. Terrestrial biodiversity is usually greater near the equator, which is the result of warm climate and high primary productivity. So let's know the variety of organism or life exists on the planet Earth. We observe from our surrounding the different kind of plants. Some of the plants living on the land, terrestrial, and some are aquatic. Terrestrial mean living on the land, aquatic living in the water. And we have the animals 4 leg, 2 leg, and we have the small insects, and we have the microorganisms, and human beings are there. These all are the different variety of life living on the earth. So biodiversity, diversity is a number and the variety of species of plant and animal life within a region. So with reference from your book, page 30, lesson 3, on the land the variety of plant is there on the land. Terrestrial, the plants are classified as angiosperm. It means angiosperms are those plants they have the seeds in their fruit, and second kind is the gymnosperm. They have the seed unprotected by the ovaries. Except terrestrial, some plants are living on in the water, just like the hornworm, liverwood, and the mosses. This one is the variety of plant exist in the water, and other variety is the polar bear. Polar bear is an animal that lives near to the polar region, northern and the southern, and desert hopping mouse living on a warm climate, and the bluebird and the cobra snake. Let's compile our lecture. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity is the biological variety and variability of life on earth. Biodiversity is the measure of variation at the genetic, species and ecosystem level. Terrestrial biodiversity is usually greater near the equator, which is the result of warm climate and high productivity. Thank you.